In the world of fire safety, every second counts, and every signal matters. That's why fire alarm companies are making a bold move, switching from traditional Xenon Strobes to cutting-edge LED technology. Let's break down exactly why they're making this switch. The problem with Xenon is, for decades, Xenon strobes were the standard, but they came with their own drawbacks. Those being high power consumption, shorter lifespan, and bulky designs, which limited installation flexibility. Now, when you bring LED technology into the mix, those types of strobes are changing the game because they offer lower current draw, longer life, and more compact designs, making them ideal for both new installations and retrofits. Take the System Sensor LED L series, for example. These LED devices use up to 40% less current than Xenon models, feature plug-and-play installation, and offer field-selectable candela settings that are compatible with legacy Spectra alert systems, making upgrades seamless. Next, you have the Real-Arc Alexa series, which pushes efficiency even further. With one of the lowest current draws in the industry, Alexa devices reduce wiring costs and power supply needs. Plus, their sleek design blends beautifully in modern architecture. Next, you got the EST Genesis LED series, which combines high-performance optics with ultra-low current draw. These devices are built with scalability, with selectable sound and light output, and durable design that thrives in hot environments. And then you got the simplest TrueAlert ES LED appliances, which take reliability to the next level, with patented self-testing, adjustable control, and streamlined installation. They reduce maintenance costs while ensuring peak performance. Now, the bottom line is, LED strobes aren't just a trend, they're the future of fire safety, with better energy efficiency, smarter design, and enhanced reliability. They help protect lives while saving time and money. From System Sensor to Real-Arc, EST to Simplex, fire alarm companies are lighting the way forward with LED technology, because when safety is on the line, innovation leads the charge. Thanks for watching. Let me know which LED device you like the most between the System Sensor LED L series, Real-Arc Alexa, EST Genesis LED, and Simplex TrueAlert LED. And like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you all next time.